you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will start our next chapter from our Footprints Without Feet supplementary reader in English for class 10th. Lesson number 3, The Midnight Visitor. Now here, Ausable, a secret agent, is expecting to get a very important report. Another secret agent, Max, threatens him with a pistol demanding the report. Does Ausable outwit him? So this answer we get from the lesson while explaining, understanding and reading it. Now here what we read and find out. Now while reading we find out how is Ausable different from other secret agents and who is Fowler and what is his first authentic thrill of the day. Now here there are three characters. Ausable, he is a secret agent who does not look like one at all, but shows great presence of mind to outwit another secret agent. Fowler, he is a young and romantic writer who is looking for some excitement in the company of a secret agent like Ausable. And Max, he is a rival secret agent who is fooled by Ausable and falls to his death. Now the summary of that lesson is, students, so you have to listen it very carefully. Now Fowler, a young romantic writer, had come to meet a secret agent, Ausable, in a French hotel. Ausable was a secret agent, but he did not look like one at all. He was fat and spoke French and German with an American accent. Fowler was disappointed to see Ausable as he could not find any characteristics of a secret agent in Ausable as he had read. Now Fowler had imagined Ausable as a mysterious figure with a crack of pistol and drugs in wine. Instead, he met a dull fat man in an unromantic location. Ausable guessed Fowler's disappointment. Ausable told Fowler that soon he would receive a very important report that could change the course of history. Now when both Ausable and Fowler entered Ausable's hotel room and switched on the light, they saw a man pointing a small automatic pistol towards them. This man was Max, another secret agent. Now Ausable was surprised to see Max in France, as according to information he had, Max was supposed to be in Berlin. Now Max was thin but not very tall. He appeared crafty and cunning like a fox. He clearly told Ausable the purpose of being in his room. He wanted to take away highly confidential reports about some new missiles that Ausable would get the night. Ausable sat on the armchair and complained about the balcony that it is attached to his room. He tells Fowler that this was the second time that someone used the balcony to secretly enter his room. Max here clarifies that he did not enter the room through the balcony but had entered with the help of passkey. Ausable explained to Fowler that it was actually not his balcony but the balcony of the next apartment. He further tells him that his room and the next apartment were earlier a large unit. Now the unit has been divided but the balcony still exists. The management had done nothing to block the balcony. Now Max began to talk about the arrival of the report. He told Ausable that the report would arrive in half an hour. Ausable corrects him and told him that he was supposed to get the report at 12:30 a.m. Ausable wanted to know how Max came to know about the report, but Max asked Ausable how his people had got that report. Now suddenly there was a knocking at the door. Ausable informs Max that it was the police whom he had called for extra protection. This information makes Max nervous. As the knocking was repeated loudly, Max angrily threatened Oswald to ask the police to go away or he would shoot him. However, Oswald told Max that the door was unlocked and police would shoot him. The knocking at the door became louder and someone shouted Oswald's name. Now Max decided to wait in the balcony until the police went away. He climbed the window still and jumped out of it as soon as the door was opened. Now the door of the room was opened and a waiter came in with drinks. Fowler was shocked now. He wanted to know where was the police and how Max would get arrested. Oswald informed him that there was no police and it was only the waiter Henry with the drinks he had ordered. Now Fowler was still worried that Max would return with a pistol, but Oswald reassured him that Max wouldn't return because there was no balcony and Max had jumped to his death as the room was on the 6th floor. So students, here this is the story of The Midnight Visitor by Robert Arthur, from where he described the character of 3 agents. Now the overview of chapter is this is a story about 2 smart secret agents who try to outsmart each other. Oswald, a secret agent, is expecting to receive a very important report about some new missiles. Another secret agent, Max, also wants to get the report and so threatens Oswald. However, Oswald traps him with his convincing stories and eliminates Max using his presence of mind. So your homework is to read this chapter once again and try to understand it.